Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make this sweet, fluffy, delicious and very nice banana bread from the comfort of your kitchen. So grab your apron now, get your flour, your banana, your mayonnaise, your vanilla extract, sugar, salt and some water. Let's dive into this video and make this sweet, fluffy and nice banana bread from just the comfort of our kitchen. You don't need much to make this. Just watch the video to the end and make sure you grab the step-by-step way on how to make this banana bread and stop buying it from the market because you will also save cost. So guys, let's dive into the video.
My baby, you find no be small, oh. I be you let me see. I love you very big, oh. If to say you go greedy you, greed make you be my baby. We go there happy, we go there jolly. Asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you, oh. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you dey my heart, yo. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you dey my heart, yo. Golibe. Yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you dey my heart, yo. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you way I love you. Golibe, asam pete yori yori ma, fine baby need a mama. Now you dey my heart, yo. Golibe. My baby.